And here lives a truly extraordinary species of octopus. Octopuses are marine animals. They live and breathe underwater. But this is no ordinary octopus. It's the only one specially adapted to walk on land. It pulls itself along using the hundreds of tiny suckers that line its arms. Hunting for crabs, it walks from pool to pool. Apart from a rather startled fish, this one is empty. So the octopus moves on. A rock pool may seem like a safe refuge, but the octopus's suckers enable it to move just as stealthily in water as out of it. Nowhere is safe when this octopus is around.